Hi, gang. Caffeine and BS for May 31st, 2019. After the rain the other day, today is a nice last day of May weather kind of day here. Warm, sunny, birds are chirping, bugs are going, making their noises, right? Got the swamp running. It's pretty much going to be running until September. Maybe October. Yeah. Got a broken tooth. No, I mean, literally broken off at the root. I just shot part one of cold extract coffee maker project part one. There it is. Why, it just looks like two bottle caps glued together. No. I put holes in the middle of these caps, and I took a 50 micron aperture, and it's sandwiched between them with glue, waiting for this to cure up. We're going to put more around the edge, get it really good and secure. Up here we have our ground coffee and cold water. Well, we got the jar here. Put the cold water and the coffee in there. Filter paper to keep exfiltration of solids from clogging up our 50 micron aperture. Yeah, I figure Wattman number 5. It won't let anything bigger than a micron go by it. That should work. Screw it on. Screw the catch bottle on. It's bigger. Turn it over. Set it on the counter. In about a half hour, hopefully, at least a half hour, drip. Half hour, hour later, drip. That's the important part. Slow. Every half hour or so, drip. Because if it's like drip, drip, too fast, you want slow, cold. You want all that time for that cold water to interact with that ground up coffee. Water is a really good solvent. If it'll suck gold out of a rock over here, put it in a crack in a rock over there, what do you think it's going to do for caffeine and the nice little alkaloids you love in your cup of joe in the morning? Well, anyway, drip, half hour later, drip. The principle here is there are two things extremely bad for the flavor of your coffee. Heat. Well, how did I make? I'm showing you. And oxygen. Now, the combination of hot and oxygen, like recycling coffee, the hot water goes up, goes down through the coffee, down to the bottom, the percolator. Yeah. They can make the nastiest coffee because it's recycling that coffee that is already leached out, getting it hot, changing it, making it nasty, pumping it up, oxidizing it. Cold. no hot, and it's drip. Half hour later, drip. It's cold, and screw the bottles good and tight, and you minimize the oxygen infiltration that goes up into the upper bottle. It makes some of the most delicious coffee. I mean, it's thick like syrup. I mean, it looks like 100 grade oil. You know, SAE 100 on a cold December morning. Yeah. And you take a little bit of it and you put it in your hot cup of Wawa. Stir it in. Depending on your taste for coffee. Enjoy.